Greetings for the day. I would like to discuss about Newton's laws of motion. In this Newton's laws of motion, while you are solving problems, numericals, or block on block, or connected bodies, or etude measure, pulley problems. Simple discussion. First one is connected bodies. Connected bodies. Connected bodies may one body, two body, or three body may connect n number of bodies. But how to solve tension between the bodies? Simple example. One block is like this. Block of mass m1, another block of mass m2, another block of mass m3 is pulled by a force F. This side action, the force F, these three blocks are pulled. The questions are, what is the tensional force between M1 and M2? Here tensional force P1 equation, here tensional force T2 equation. What are the tensional force between M1 and M2 and M2 and M3? They may ask. Whenever like this question is there, first thing is we have to calculate the acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system means acceleration in A is equal to pulling force upon total mass, that is A is equal to pulling force by masses m1 plus m2 plus m3. m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now I want to calculate tension means T1 means one is direct shortcut easy method, another one is by using first T2 tension. Easy method first we will solve. How to solve easy method means just I am assuming only this block, that is M1 block alone I am assuming. M1 block here T1 tension is acting. In this direction total system is going with acceleration here. Total system is going in this way. Now, according to free body diagram, what is free body diagram? Free body diagram means first we have to choose a system, decide a system. While choosing system, we have to choose a frame also. Which frame it is? Which frame means inertial frame, non-inertial frame. The frame which obeys Newton's laws are called inertial frame. The phrase which does not obey Newton's laws are called non-inertial frame. Actually, students, while I am doing this numerical, I want to say one important point. This Newton's laws of motion, 11th standard, 12th standard, numericals, somewhere we are using. This Newton's laws of motion lesson applicable only for point objects, not for extended objects. Point objects only. Means what is concept of point object means? I'll say Earth is also a point object. Why Earth is also a point object means path traced by the body when we are comparing with its dimensions. If path is more than its dimensions, such a particle is called point object. Means Earth is a point object and Moon is a point object and we are so point objects. And solar system also point object, sun is also point object. Why? Because when we compare with the Milky Way galaxy, our sun is also a point object. Why? Because sun path traced is very small, very huge compared to sun size. Means Newton's laws of motion are applicable for point objects. Now, why I went that side means here I am applying free body diagram. What is meant by free body diagram? Free body diagram means first we have to choose. I choose this system. This system I choose. This system is inertial and non-inertial and means if acceleration is constant means I am taken as net acceleration is 0 means I will treat it as inertial system. After that we have to decide a particular either total 3 bodies like this or only one this body or second body, third body. For that to find T1 tension, I assumed only this body. On this, how many forces are there? Next identification. What y-axis how many forces are there means the system is kept on the horizontal floor. Vertically how many forces are there? Horizontally how many forces are there? Vertically, its normal reaction is upward, weight is downward. Body is a vertical equilibrium. Vertically, there is no displacement. Because of external force is acting that side, net external force is non-zero. That's why system is moving that side. Horizontally, that's not in equilibrium. Vertically alone, it is equilibrium. That's why here when I am choosing how many forces are acting means here, how many forces means two forces are acting. One force is our pulling force, but pulling force directly not acting. That is creating some acceleration. That acceleration is acting. Another one is tensional force. Now direct shortcut F net equal to Ma. F net means only one force acting. T1 is equal to M1A. Therefore, directly T1 equal to M1 into A already we calculated here. That way A value is substitute means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the acceleration T1 directly by using shortcut. Acceleration tension T1 directly by using shortcut. Sir, this is okay. What about T2? How to find T2? T2 we have to find. T2 how to find means T2 find to find T2 I am assuming this system now. Here I am assuming this system. When I am assuming this system, I have to draw this alone here. How many forces are acting here means this side force F is acting, this side T2 tension acting, this is M3 and acceleration is that. Again we go for Newton's third law. Here again we apply F net equal to M3 into A. How many forces are acting means two forces are acting. One is our applied force, another one is backward tensional force. Tensional force. Many students they ask doubt, sir, here direction of tension how to find means direction of tension sense of our force. Our applied force is rightward means tensional force is up left side. Like that we have to need not to confuse here. Need not to confuse here. Next F net equal to M3A. Who is greatest? Students again doubt. F minus T2 T2 minus F2. Total system is which direction it moving that direction. That's why who is great? F only great. Therefore F minus T2. F minus T2 is equal to M3A. Therefore minus T2 is equal to M3A minus F. T2 is equal to F minus M3A. Already we know A value. A value is substitute there. F minus M3 into A value. F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This value is substitute there. If you simplify, you will get T2 is equal to LCM. You have to take who will cancel means M3. That body where we are calculate that mass won't be there. That mass won't be there. Therefore, if you take LCM there, F into M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M3F. Here plus M3F minus M3F will cancel. Therefore, tension T2 is equal to tension T2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is tension T2. Tension T2. Tension T2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3.